The legend of the 1976 Ford Falcon XB GT begins with a single reflection of light gliding across its jet black metallic surface, a shimmer that announces strength, heritage, and untamed performance. As the camera circles its front, the twin round headlights ignite like the focused eyes of a predator, the chrome grille gleaming beneath the polished bonnet vents, and the GT emblem glowing in defiant pride. The glossy body mirrors the soft white light of the showroom, every curve and contour sculpted to perfection, breathing the spirit of Australia's golden muscle car era. Sliding to the side, the camera captures its long aerodynamic silhouette, sleek doors, subtle gold pinstripes, shining rims hugging the polished floor, each element whispering power balanced with grace. The reflections move along its body like flowing water, emphasizing the precision of craftsmanship that makes the Falcon a timeless mechanical sculpture. At the rear, the tail lights burn crimson beneath the showroom glow, the dual exhausts poised to roar, and the license plate XBGT 1976 gleams as a signature of pride. From above, its roofline appears smooth and commanding, the metallic black glinting beneath the bright ceiling lights like liquid obsidian. The camera dives closer now, studying the chrome-rimmed headlights, the intricate mesh of the grille, and the proud GT side badge, a close-up celebration of detail and design. Each vent, emblem, and reflection speaks of Ford's relentless pursuit of excellence. Dropping low to the wheels, the chrome rims sparkle beside deep tread tires, the Falcon's stance wide and confident, built to grip both road and legend. Then the doors open and the world inside reveals itself, a realm of black leather and brushed silver trim, the scent of power and history intertwined. The dashboard stretches across the cockpit like the command bridge of a machine built for dominance, the analog gauges rest behind the three-spoke steering wheel, each dial waiting for ignition. The driver's seat, rich black leather with perfect stitching, beckons with a sense of control, while the passenger seat mirrors its elegance, together creating an aura of authority and comfort. The camera glides toward the back, unveiling the rear seats, equally black, equally bold, glistening softly under LED reflections. Their smooth texture and sculpted contours blend luxury with endurance, turning this muscle car's cabin into a sanctuary of motion. Light falls gently across the black dashboard and door panels, catching faint highlights in the polished chrome handles and trim. Then, with a deep mechanical click, the hood rises and the Falcon bears its soul, a 351 cubic inch V8 engine gleaming in chrome and steel, a monument to raw power and mechanical beauty. The camera moves in closer, the Ford emblem sits atop the chrome air filter like a crown, surrounded by wires and pipes that seem alive with energy. Every bolt and joint glistens under the bright lights, revealing engineering mastery frozen in time. The view drops beneath the car now, where the underbody is a network of strength suspension arms, exhaust pipes, and protective plating arranged with flawless precision. The polished showroom floor reflects it all like a mirror, turning machinery into art. A close-up of the tires follows, the side walls embossed with their proud markings, each groove in perfect focus, a symbol of traction and resilience. Through the windshield, the camera catches the interior once more, the black leather seats glowing faintly, the steering wheel poised, and the gauges flickering with reflected light, as though the car itself is awakening. The trunk opens smoothly, revealing clean finishes, chrome linings, and a hint of practicality wrapped in perfection. And then the shot widens for the finale. The Ford Falcon XB GT 1976 stands in full frame, a magnificent jet black sculpture under white studio lights. Every panel, every curve, every reflection unites to form a vision of enduring beauty. The showroom falls silent except for the echo of what this car represents: freedom, craftsmanship, rebellion, and pride. Born from the spirit of Australian roads and immortalized in film, the XB GT is more than a machine, it is a living legend, a symphony of steel and soul that continues to inspire generations. As the camera takes its final slow circle around the car, the reflections ripple across its body like memories through time, reminding us that true legends never fade, they shine eternally, just like the jet black Falcon XB GT 1976.